Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make kinetic sand. Okay. So let's get started. Okay guys, all you're going to need is some salt. I'm going to use some bath salt because it's finally crushed. And you're going to need some liquid dish soap. And some coloring, I'm going to use pink. And some glitter to make it look more fancy. And also a Ziploc bag. Now we're going to add some salt into your Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to add some glitter. And then you're going to mix it thoroughly. So now we're going to add some dish soap to it. So you're going to mix it well after putting the liquid soap. You can see the texture is just becoming like the kinetic sand. Once you have mixed it well, you're going to put it into the container. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed this video and this recipe will work for you. So if it did, so please give you a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And in my next video, I'm gonna make no borax slime recipe with kinetic sand. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give you a thumbs up. Take care.